It is rainy as fuck and we are looking for flood right now with my pilot, Benchung. I am the co-pilot and this is the Flood Hunters. The moment of truth, Captain Ben. Thinking whether to charge or not to charge. This is maybe knee deep. Attack! Attack!
Go? Go ba? Ayoko, pussy ako. Ang lalim niyan sobra.
Speed Hunters, we are charging through. Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Holy shit! Holy shit! Mother of God, we're safe! Oh!